Hello guys, welcome again in a new FRP unlock video, and this video is totally dedicated for Samsung FRP unlock. And if your Samsung phone is also locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock, and if you had hard reset of your Samsung phone, then after hard reset when you will switch on your phone, you will get a such type of display where you will get welcome option, language option, and these type of keys. So after hard reset, when you will go through the tap on the display, you will come on this page. Here you can see after hard reset, it's again asking your pin pattern and password lock, but here you will get another option that is showing here use my Google account. Instead you have to tap on this one. After that, when you will come on this page, here you can see this is asking your Gmail ID and password. So if you have remember your Gmail ID and password, you can go through the next option to feed your Gmail ID and password. But if you don't have your Gmail ID and password, you can see here you're not getting any skip option in this page. So this video is completely dedicated to bypass your FRP lock of your Samsung Android smartphone of any model. So first of all, you have to reach to the starting page here. From here you will have to firstly change your language from English India to English US, because Google is from US. Then after you have to tap on this OK. Now after that you have to go to the accessibility and you will have to make some changes in your accessibility setting. Firstly you will have to tap on this TalkBack option and you have to come on this setting page. Now after that you have to come on the TalkBack tutorial, and here you will have to tap on this option, then tap on the next. Here you will tap on this, and here you can see you have to tap on this sign in. But here you can see it's again asking your Gmail ID and password, so don't worry at all. Simply you have to go to the back option here, and here you have to tap on this option, and here you have to tap on this setting. Now here you have to make some changes. Follow all the steps whatever is showing here. Now from here update this one and cross this one. It may take several times, so you will have to go to the back option here. Again you have to go to the back and finish here. Here you have to tap on this, and you can see here activated. Just wait. Activated. Just wait until it's disappear. Now tap on this one. Now this one. Now go to the next. Activated. Next. Activated. You will have to activate all the links here. 4 and 5. Now go to the next. Now go to the next and finish. Next, and finish from here. Next, and finish. Now go to simply back option, come on this page, here you have to tap on this option, go to the community, tap on these videos, but here you can see it's not working, so don't worry at all. Language, you should make sure that language should be in English. and all the things has been done. Now simply you have to close this app, tap on this one and finish from here. Now change these settings. Okay, firstly you will have to reset the setting from here. Make sure, be careful. If you skip a single step, you will have to follow all the process one by one. Select the language from English, US and UK and India, as well as go to the back. Okay, now go to the back. The thing you have to choose here you will have to add a shortcut here, and here you have to dial in capital FRP, only FRP, nothing else, star hash 888 star 99 star 00 and hash. Then you have to add on this option, go to the back. Now tap on this layout. From here you have to make the changes from default to alternative and apply from here. Go to the back, again back here. Now all the things has been done in this settings. Go to the back. Here you have to tap on this option and you have to on this one, go to the settings. You have to switch off these options and you have to completely switch off these ones. Go to the back. And reset. Finally go to the back, again back here. Now tap on this one, already set. Touch and hold, try it out. You have to tap on this one. Finally done. Go to the back, again back. You have to tap on this about accessibility and simply you have to tap and open the page. Nothing you have to do here. Go to the back option, again back. Now finally you have to tap on this emergency call. Star has 0 star has, you have to use this USSD to open this page. Now after that simply you have to tap on this one. Go back, sensor, simply you have to tap on this one. You will get some pass messages on your phone display. It means all the things has been done. Go to the back, come to the starting page. Now let's start this. To check either FRP has been bypassed or not, tap on this one, agree, tap on this. Make sure your phone should be connected to the Wi-Fi network. You can see here my phone is connected. Now tap on this next option. Tap on this don't copy. Now you can see here you're getting here a skip option. You can easily skip this page. It means now you don't need to feed the Gmail ID credential page. Use a new pin pattern or password lock. Make sure, otherwise your phone again will go in FRP lock mode. Now it's a simple setup. After the Gmail ID credential is skipped, it's a simple setup of your phone. You can do with your own. Skip from all the setting. Later I will set up all the things. from here. Skip this page. So here you can see the FRP has been bypassed, and the new pattern log what I had applied is working or not. Let's check. So it's working. So here you can see, and apply this method to your FRP log phone.